Cyan, echo. On the lookout.
The lion a roar, the message not change. Babylon shake when Jah name rearrange. The wicked them fear when the righteous step. Rasta man strong, we no lose no rep. Me see them a plan, but them plans not stand. Jaja warriors rise up in a the land. The battle not done, the journey not ease. But me stand firm in a Jaja peace. Me trod through the fire, me trod through the test. The wicked have to run when me beat me chest. The prophecy real, the trumpet sound. Jah kingdom rise, Babylon drown. Lion roar in Zion, shake up the place. Babylon fall when we chant. Selassie I grace, we no afraid, we no bow, we no move like pan. Jah warriors strong from the dust till dawn. Me march with me people, me march with pride. The fire still burn, it can't hide. We chant for the freedom, we chant for the youth. We stand on truth, we stand on roots. We no deal with injustice, we stand for right. Me chant me psalms in the morning light. From Kingston streets to the African land, the warriors rise up, we take the stand. Me call pa me brethren, me call pa me sister. We uniting at the struggle, we fight till the end. Me spirit can't broke, me heart can't weak. Jaja empower me every time me speak. Lion roar in Zion, shake up the place. Babylon fall when we chant. Selassie I grace, we no afraid, we no bow, we no move like pan. Jah warrior strong from the dust till dawn. Me rise up in the morning, give thanks and praise. Jaja blessing shower like sunshine rays. The wicked them plot, but me stand up strong. Selassie I guide me, me not do wrong. We chant down evil, we chant down lies. Me lift me hands, me look to the skies. The righteous prevail, me know this true. The fire a burn, the vision break through. Lion roar in Zion, shake up the place. Babylon fall when we chant. Selassie I grace, we no afraid, we no bow, we no move like pan. Jah warriors strong from the dust till down. Me see the youth them lost, them need the light. Me teach them fi walk, me show them the right. The system corrupt, them poison the brain, but the truth still shine like a cleansing rain. We call upon the elders, we seek the way. We hold the tradition, we never betray. The knowledge of Zion, it deep in me soul. The truth never fade, it shine like gold. Me chant with me heart, me chant with me soul. We fight Babylon, we take back control. No weapon form shall prosper again. Jah warriors rise, me see them reign. Zion echo Zion, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, yeah. Them a build up them walls, them a tighten the chain. Them a try lock we down in a mental pain. But we mind too free, we spirit too strong. Revolutionary fire burn Babylon land. Me hear the youth, them a ball, me see the struggle real. Them take we resources, them now make we heal. Them a sell out the culture, them want keep we blind. But Jaja wisdom a liberate the mind. Them can't hold we, them can't break we. Jah people rise up, stand firm and stay free. From Kingston to Addis, we nah bow down. Babylon a fall when the trumpet sound. Me chant down the system, me fight for the youth. Me stand up for justice, me walk in a truth. Them can't keep we silent, we voice too loud. The warriors rise, we no blend in a crowd. The system corrupt, full of tricks and lies. Them a blind the youth, them a close the eyes. But me see the truth, me chant me song. The righteous arise and we march along. Me hear them a promise, but me know them fake. Them a take and take, them nah give nah make. The earth a cry out, the people them feel, but the power of Jaja a make we heal. Me see the warriors, me see the queens, me see the elders, still hold the dream. Me see the fire, me see the fight, me know the victory coming at the night. Them can't hold we, them can't break we. Jah people rise up, stand firm and stay free. From Kingston to Addis we nah bow down. Babylon a fall when the trumpet sound. Babylon can't win, them fate done seal. Jah army a march with the truth like steel. No more oppression, no more lies. We stand up tall, we no compromise. Jah people rise up, Jah people rise up, Jah people rise up, them a love a cheat up. Jah people rise up, Jah people rise up, Jah people rise up, them a love a cheat up. Jah people rise up, Jah people rise up, Jah people rise up, them a love a cheat up. Jah people rise up, Jah people rise up, Jah people rise up, them a love a cheat up. Jah people rise up, Jah people rise up, Jah people rise up, them a love a cheat up. Jah people rise up, Jah people rise up, Jah people rise up, them a love a cheat up. Jah people rise up, Jah people rise up, Jah people rise up, them a love a cheat up. Jah people rise up, Jah people rise up, Jah people rise up, them a love a cheat up. Cyan echoes. Me hear the call from Zion gate. Jaja whisper say no more wait. The journey long, the road them rough, but me know say love is enough. The hills them rise, the rivers them flow. The ancestor spirit me feel them glow. Me walk with faith, me no feel no pain. The Most High guide me through sun and rain. Me look to the sky, me see the sign. Zion call me, it's so divine. Me step in at the light, me break the chain. Me trod on strong, me no feel no strain. Zion call me name, me can't resist. Me step out of darkness, me feel the bliss. The lion roar, the trumpet sound. Jaja blessings all around. Babylon system a try hold me down. Them build up wall but Jah break them down. Me chant me psalms, me stand up tall. The wicked can't make me spirit fall. The children cry, the mothers pray. The fathers fight for a better day. But me tell them hold the faith. Zion gates no lack, no wait. The fire still burn, the truth still bright. Jaja wisdom give me sight. Me see the path, me know the way. Me step on righteousness every day. Rivers are flow, mountains rise. We see the world through conscious eyes. Me chant Selassie, I name with might. Me feel the power, me feel the light. Zion call me name, me can't resist. Me step out of darkness, me feel the bliss. The lion roar, the trumpet sound. Jaja blessings all around. The warriors rise, the truth reveal. The wounds them heal, the heart them feel. No more sorrow, no more pain. The righteous trod, we break the chain. Me fear, me can't go stop. The elders guide, the wisdom flow. Jaja love, I make me glow. The drum them beat, the fire blaze. The people gather, we give Jah praise. We see the victory, we feel the grace. We know we reach the holy Cyan echoes. Jam and Cali Kush invest yes chalice. Yeah. The darkness arise, but me nah go hide Jah. Light in a me soul, keep me firm pon the right. Them want see me stumble, them want see me fall, but me stand up strong, never bow to them call. Me walk through the valley, me trod through the storm. She laugh Jah round me, keep me spirit warm. Them set up the traps, them a dig up the hole, but me rise up high. Jah lift me soul, Jah light keep shining bright in a me way. Guidance and protection every night, every day. No matter how the wicked them a try feel mislead. Me step with the truth, me no fall and no greed. Jah light never fade, never dim, never gone. It guide me through the dark like the early man. Them want take me joy, but them can't stop me song. Cause the power of the Most High keep me strong. Them a whisper in the shadows, them a plan up fi fight, but me stand up strong. In a Jaja light, me chant the psalms, me no fear no foes. The fire of righteousness, it ever glows. Them a build up them wall, but me climb over high. Them a spread them lies, but me can't live a lie. Me walk with the elders, me hold up the vibe. Me meditate deep, make the truth come alive. Me see them a struggle, me see them a run. Me see how the wicked can't angle the sun, but the righteous a shine like a morning dove. Covered in a blessings from the Most High above. Jah light keep shining bright in a me way. Guidance and protection every night, every day. No matter how the wicked them a try fi mislead. Me step with the truth, me no fall and no greed. Jah light never fade, never dim, never gone. It guide me through the dark like the early morn. Them want take me joy, but them can't stop me song. Cause the power of the Most High keep me strong. Forward ever, backward never. Jah love keep we light like the sun pon the river. One step, one faith, me keep me pace. Jah love at the real embrace. Forward ever, backward never. Jah love keep we light like the sun pon the river. One step, one faith, me keep me pace. Jah love at the real embrace. Forward ever, backward never. Jah love keep we light like the sun pon the river. One step, one faith, me keep me pace. Jah love at the real embrace. Forward ever, backward never. Jah love.
Zion, them can't shake me. Me stand tall firm like the old oak tree. The breeze whisper your name in a morning light. The sunrise high bless the earth so bright. We trod pon the land, barefoot feel the soil. Ancestors wisdom in the ear never spoil. From the hills to the valleys, the rivers run deep. Jah guide we soul in the night when we sleep. The wicked them plan, but we spirit now break. We stand up firm, no matter the wake. The truth are the key, the love are the shield. Rasta man live, never go yield. Root strong like Mount Zion, never go fall. Jah light shine bright, standing so tall. We hold the faith, we hold the line. Rasta stand firm till the end of time. The system corrupt, them try to mislead, but we not fall victim to Babylon greed. The seed that we plant, it grows so high. Blessed by Jah rain from the holy sky. Me chant pon the hills, me sing pon the shore. The wisdom of Jah, me spirit explore. From Kingston streets to the motherland call. The message of love, me spread to all. Me hold the tradition, me never forget. Me link with me elders, me pay me respect. The struggle them real, but times we give Jah praise. The fire still burn, the wicked amaze. We trod with the truth, no evil withstand. Jah warriors rise up in the land. The blessings pour down like holy rain. We never feel lost, we never feel pain. Jah light guide we every way. Selassie I rule, me kneel and pray. Roots strong like Mount Zion, never go fall. Jah light shine bright, standing so tall. We hold the faith, we hold the line. Rasta stand firm till the end of time. Me look to the sky, me give Jah me heart. We never divide, we never depart. We chant out the love, we chant out the truth. Rasta man strong, blessed from youth. Me sing to the heavens, me chant up high. The spirit of Zion will never go die. Roots strong and deep, firm like stone. Judge a reign upon the holy throne.
Call me name, me can't turn back the road. Might rough, but me stay on track. The wisdom of the king, it a guide me soul. Selassie I reign, is truth untold. Them blind to the truth, them lost in a lies. But the righteous rise like the morning skies. Me meditate deep, me hold the faith. Me never go astray, me can't lose the way. Me walk through the valley, me fear no death. Jah Jah beside me, me take each step. Me lift up me voice, me chant it loud. Selassie I reign, me can't be proud. Selassie I lead the way, me follow and pray. Jah light shine bright every night, every day. From Zion to Africa, the kingdom come. Jah people rise up, the journey just begun. Them fight against the message, them try to suppress. But Rasta man strong, me no live in a stress. The knowledge of the king, it empower the mind. The wisdom of Zion, me can't leave behind. Beside the prophecies, me read the signs. Selassie I wisdom, it stand through time. Me chant down wicked, me stand up tall. Rastafari rule, Babylon must fall. Them tell me but me stand upright. Me follow Jah law, me walk in a light. Me never go stray, me never go weak. Jah guide me step, me take what me seek. Jah word never fail, Jah love never cease. The truth shine bright, bring eternal peace. So me chant, so me praise, me hold the faith strong. Selassie I reign, from dusk till dawn. Me never lose hope, me never lose sight. The fire still burn, it shines so bright. Me call upon Jah, me kneel and pray. Selassie I guide me night and day. Selassie I lead the way, me follow and pray. Jah light shine bright every night, every day. From Zion to Africa, the kingdom come. Jah people rise up, the journey just begun. The truth and the key, the message so clear. Selassie I live, Jah love everywhere. No fear, no doubt, me walk with grace. Jah Jah guide me in every place. me chant with might. Rising sun over Africa, light up the way. The lion them roar, the warriors stay. We fight for the truth, we break the chain. Jaja blessings fall like rain. The system still a try hold we down, but we stand tall, we wear the crown. The spirit of freedom, it never go die. Me see it in the people, me see it in the sky. Me walk through the market, the vendors them smile. Despite all the struggles, them stay versatile. The children a laugh, the elders them teach. We spread your love, we practice, we preach. Them can't erase the history deep. The ancestors' voice in our we sleep. We wake up strong, we rise up bold. We tell the story, we make it unfold. Me chant down oppression, me chant down hate. We march for the future, we change, we fate. The fire still burn, the message stay true. Africa rise up, the time brand new. Rising sun over Africa, light up the way. The lion them roar, the warriors stay. We fight for the truth, we break the chain. Jaja blessings fall like rain. Me travel the road from Kingston town. Me feel the connection, me feel the sound. The drum them echo, the message spread. The past still guide we move ahead. Me see the farmers, them work the field. Jah bless the crops, Jah bless the yield. The roots them deep, the land still strong. We hold the faith, we chant Jah song. No longer divided, we stand as one. We see the future, we see the sun. No chain can hold we, no system break. The spirit of Africa never forsake. The school them full, the children learn. We take back knowledge, the tables turn. The leaders rise, the voices loud. We break the silence, we make Jah proud. Me see the mothers, them hold the child. We teach them peace, we teach them style. We no need no war, we no need no gun. We only need love, we only need sun. The mountain call. Inna the heart of the people, the fire still burn. One love, one destiny, the tables must turn. Me see the struggle, me feel the pain, but righteousness flow like a healing rain. Them a fight, them a war, but me chant your name. Me no fall for the system, me no play them game. Unity and love, that are the way. So me chant out the truth every night, every day. Them try to divide we, but me spirit stand tall. Them lock the door, but me break down the wall. Me chant me redemption, me walk with faith. Jah love inna me heart, me no carry no hate. One love, one fire, let the truth inspire. Rasta man chant down Babylon empire. No division, no hate, only love me require. Jah light shine bright, lift we higher. Them try to divide we, them try to confuse, but the power of Jaja we never go lose. From Africa to yard we are one family. No chain can hold with the spirit set free. Me trod through the storm, me rise through the fight. The struggle not easy, but me still see the light. Me reason with elders, me listen them wise. Them teach me fi rise, them show me the price. Me chant up a prayer, me send it up high. Jaja a guide me, me never ask why. The youth them a suffer, me see it so clear. Me fight for the freedom, me fight with no fear. So me sing, so me pray, so me chant me song. Jah love inna me heart, it a keep me strong. No fear, no doubt, only truth we bring. One love for the people, let the whole world sing. The fire a burn, me nah cool down. Truth and rights, that a me sound. Me walk with Jah, me nah look back. Jah warrior stand firm, solid like rock. One love, one fire, let the truth inspire. Rasta man chant down Babylon empire, no division. division, no hate, only love me require. Jah light shine bright, lift we higher. One people, one nation, one heart, one soul. The prophecy reveal, the truth must unfold. No more separation, no more strife. Jah love are the key to life. From the days of the elders till the time right now, reggae music still a chant, still a make people proud. Nyaya bingy drum a beat in a heart so deep. Man a bun the wicked, the righteous nah sleep. Me see the youth, them arise, the culture still bright. Me hear the rhythm echo in the moonlight. Them can't stop the message, them can't mute the sound. Reggae still a guide, still a keep we ground. Roots and culture still strong, still firm like a tree. Rasta never fall, Jah set we free. No matter the struggle, no matter the fight, reggae still a shine like a guiding light. Rubber dub session sound system loud. I tell food a bubble herb in the cloud. Jah message still travel through the rhythm and bass. Selassie I name, we chant with grace. Me see the dread, them a step, them a chant them song. Roots reggae spirit, it forever strong. Me walk through the ghetto, me hear them play. Sound system blast till the break of day. The struggle still real, but the fire still burn. The wisdom of the ancients, the youth them learn. Them can wipe out with culture, them can dim the light. Reggae at the heartbeat, it shines so bright. The bass line heavy, the lyrics real. Jah guidance, me heart can feel. From yard to abroad, reggae never fade. The message eternal, it never degrade. Roots and culture still strong, still firm like a tree. Rasta never fall, Jah set we free. No matter the struggle, no matter the fight, reggae still a shine like a guiding light. Keep the roots, keep the fire, keep the message true. Reggae music, live Babylon can subdue. From Kingston streets to the worldwide, the spirit of reggae how we guide. Keep the roots, keep the fire, keep the message true. Reggae music, live Babylon can subdue. From Kingston streets to the worldwide, the spirit of reggae how we guide. Cyan echoes. Step out strong like a warrior true. The system not break me, me push on through. Babylon fall, them can't stop my way. Jah light shine bright, guide me every day. Me hear the cries of the youth, them lost. Me see the pain, me feel the cost. But we not give up, we rise again. Like the sun in the sky, we break the chain. The fire inside, it never go low. The truth are the weapon, we make it show. Me chant for the freedom, me chant for the love. We rise like the eagle, soar up above. Rebel spirit rising, high like the sun. We fight till the battle of Babylon done. We chant down oppression, we chant down fear. Jah protection, always near. The elders them tell me stand up tall. Never bow down, never go fall. break, but we still hold. We walk through the city, me see the divide. Me chant on the corner, me chant it wide. We no need no violence, we need your grace. We fight with the truth, we win this race. Them tell we lie, them try to deceive, but the righteous man know we never believe. We see through the smoke, we see through the haze. We chant Selassie, we give him praise. Rebel heart strong, rebel mind free. We not go bow, we hold the key. The kingdom of Zion, it waiting still. We trod upon the paths, we do Jah will. Rebel spirit rising, high like the sun. We fight till the battle of Babylon done. We chant down oppression, we chant down fear. Jah Jah protection always near. Me see the fire, me see the rain. Me feel the struggle, me feel the pain. But in a me heart, me know Jah near. Him wipe me tears, him take me fear. The youth them wake, the elders rise. We see the truth behind the lies. We march for justice, we march for peace. We chant Jah name, the blessings increase. The battle not done, the fight can't cease. We hold Jah hand, we walk in peace. We chant for love, we chant for light. Rebel spirit rise, everything right. Jah Jah guide with the journey long. But in a me heart, we sing Jah song. From morning light till evening fall, we stand up firm, we never stall. Eulogy in the chair softly with your house for you to call it to pass through holidays, blessed finds in the time tease arrive. Destiny like the flip, destiny who said it.
not cheap.